With us, Mr. Sridhar Krishnamoorthy is the CEO of Arjas Steel, a leading steel producer in India. Sir, thank you again for taking time out for this discussion. Arjas Steel is a major supplier to the automotive industry. Uh, what is the feedback coming from the automotive industry about the importance of decarbonization and carbon emissions?
At the moment, we have not touched all the customers, but basically, some of the key customers like Volvo, even people who are exporting to auto companies like Sundram Fasteners, most of them have a declared path towards net zero. And as part of that, they are reaching out to their customers. You see, steel is not a direct supplier to many of them. We go through some intermediaries. So right now they are talking to their customers, and mainly the topic is about data collection right now on where is the carbon, embedded carbon, how much it is. They're in the data collection phase. So, but pretty much very soon, I think we will have to attach certificates to demonstrate that this is the carbon footprint, and also when they visit us, they are asking what are your plans, how are you going forward. So right now it's still soft, I would say, but if you don't have a plan, that's a problem. So you should definitely have a plan, and but they are not auditing to check whether you're following the plan. I mean, they haven't come to that stage.
A plan is so you need to measure your emissions, you need to show it out,
Correct.
and you need to show that there is a plan to decarbonize, and with due time pick up the entire topic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you again.
There's another angle I can add. So there are some, like as you're aware, in Punjab we have a electric arc plant. So there we are a major supplier to Honda motorcycles. So Honda has a stated policy to introduce 100% circularity materials. So they are already now in discussion. Already 2 times they have had a discussion with us to when the motorcycle reaches end of life, how to segregate the alloy steel and send it back to us, and then we convert that again back into bars and send it back to them.
Wow.
So this should happen in the next quarter, I would assume.
So that will include a foundry also in the process, because you'll send to
Possibly,
Mandi and
So it's something they want to try out at least, and they started with us.
Fantastic.
Let's see how it goes.
True circular economy at play
Correct.
here.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Great to see Arjas Steel right in the middle of that circular economy. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.